Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you about the Jouer Best of Nudes. It's kind of like the little minis that they had, and this is it right here. They have a lot of cool colors. Some are mattes and some are creams, if I'm not mistaken. Well, regardless, they are nudes, and my favorites are nudes. So I bought this. I'm pretty sure I bought this around the holidays, and I had like a 20% off, but this usually retails for $34. This you can find at Nordstrom right now. I don't believe that they have it at the Jouer website anymore. But this is a $50 value. So for me, I like to get these type of kits because it helps me figure out what I like, what I don't like. And I don't like to just spend money on regular size, like big size, like regular size makeup when I don't have to. I'd rather get the mini size, try it out, see if I love it. If I do love it, then I'll go ahead and purchase the full size version of it. So to get started, I'm actually doing the lip swatches for this, so stay tuned if you want to check these out. So this is how it comes, and there are 8 in here, right? Yes, my math is good, 8. So I'm gonna start off. I'm actually going to speed this up a little bit, and I'll put the words on the screen for you. What I love about the Jouer formula is that it's super thin when it goes on, but it's buildable. So it's not gonna get clumpy. It's not gonna get like, those little like dry balls whenever you're trying on a liquid matte lipstick. So what I suggest is always, of course, hydrating your lips. Maybe put some like lip mask on or like a chapstick of some sort before you do that, and then put on your liquid lipstick. Just, my preference, I don't like my lips to be too dry, so that kind of helps me with any type of liquid lipstick. So I really enjoyed mostly the nudes. The metallics are different. They're not my style. Kind of reminds me of back in the day, I don't know if you remember, when we used to wear like the frosted lips. I know it's like, I don't know, early 2000s or something like that. But yeah, it kind of just reminds me of that. It's kind of cool, right? Because, trends come around again, but I don't think it's for me. So yeah, I really, really liked Terra, Terra. I liked that one because it was like super, like, I would say brown nude or like a beigey nude. Bare was good too, Bare. And I really liked Rayanne as well. So those are my favorites from this little mini lip kit. And again, like I said, I mean, I love to try these out because I like to see what works best for me, my skin tone, what my preference is, how they wear, all that good stuff. And then I can go and see if they have the full size version, which, you know, 9 times out of 10, they do have the full size version on their website. So check them out if you haven't. I mean, it's pretty awesome. Pretty affordable, I would say. And there's always some type of like discount code out there. This isn't sponsored, so I don't have a discount code for you, but I'm sure that you can find one somewhere. So yeah, thanks again for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and click on my face if you see it anywhere, so that you can subscribe and not miss any of my videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.